So we got some updates on iPhone 13 and we're going to be discussing through this video. And one thing that I want to make sure is that this updates that we got from Apple's iPhone 13 is not from the official one. This is something that we call as leaks and something called as early look. So we're going to be discussing all those updates in this video. And before we get started on this video, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our new and updated tech videos. So the first update that we got here is the design thing, and the design thing we don't have any very big or vast changes on the design thing. So after iPhone 8, the home button is removed from the next preceding iPhones like iPhone 10, 11, 12, and it will be continued. And the second thing that I need to address here is the design thing. They will not make some difference on this because iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 is somewhat similar on their design, and I hope so that they will be making a tiny changes on their next iPhone, and that will be that update. Because if they made or redesign all the designs of the iPhones on the next model, then the sales of the iPhone 12 will be coming down. So they don't want that to be happening, so they will be making a small change in the design. So on the next update that we got is the cameras or lenses, whatever you could say, that is what the update that we got there. So it is expected that there will be a drastic differences on the iPhones, the next iPhones, the cameras qualities, and it says that one leak says that you could also expect something called as light lidar for all the lenses, as well as you could also expect f1.8 aperture 6p lens, as well as the ultra wide lens to be as f2.4 and 5p, so the improvement will greatly improve low light. So later a leak also says that f1.5 aperture and 7p wide lens will be expecting to be delivered on the iPhone 13 Pro Max model. And moving on to the next update, the next update that we got here is for its naming. So guys, we could not expect the next iPhone model to be iPhone 13 itself, because after iPhone 8 the whole world expected iPhone 9 to be coming there, but iPhone 10 came unpredictably. So all the tech experts are saying that it is unpredictable for describing or predicting that the next iPhone model will be iPhone 13, so that's not yet confirmed. So for the safe word for this video, I'm using iPhone's next model, if you notice me correctly. I'm not saying iPhone 13 or something like that. I will be saying iPhone's next model. So the naming convention is not ever decided by Apple, or once an update comes from Apple's officially, we could confirm that the next iPhone's name is iPhone 13. The next update that we got is its pricing section. So the pricing section is pretty much very clumsy there, because as usual iPhone will be like, or Apple will be like pulling back the current model's iPhone model to be just back from its pricing. So currently we have iPhone 12 on $899, $999, as well as $1,199 on the United States. So they will be pulling back all these price tags for making a room for the next iPhone's model to be coming there. So after they are making some room for iPhone 13, they will be making filling the price slots for iPhone 13. So right now Apple's iPhone's next model's pricing sector is not ever confirmed here, so it is in a clumsy mode, so we don't want to get deep dive into that concept for right now. So once an update comes around the pricing, I will be making an update video for that. So moving to the next update, it is its release date. So the release date of iPhone's next model will be at September, because all the models of iPhone 12 has been released on the September. So the iPhone model will be released in some events or something like that. But the release date, many experts are saying that September 24th maybe. I don't know how they predicted this, but it will be on the September month. So iPhone 13, or for the safe word, iPhone's next model will be released at September or this year's half of that next year. We could not say, or we could not predict that. So many predictions says that September will be the final date or the final month of iPhone's next model. We could expect iPhone's next model on that day itself. So guys, that's all the updates that we got for iPhone's 13 or iPhone's next model for the safe word. So if there is an update that is coming after this video, then I will be making an update video of this video. And if you know some updates, then leave down in the comment section so that other people who watch this video may know it. As well as, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it. And if you haven't watched this free video, watch it. And if this video gives it a massive value to you, then smash that like button. So see you all on the next insane video. Until then, it's me, elbinbinil. Bye bye.